the police and the fire rescue go by, we thank them for their service, for the hard work they do to keep us safe 24/7, 365 days a year. Well, folks, did you know that by attending today's air show, you are helping support local charities and youth organizations throughout our community? Honoring aviation's past while inspiring the next generation is at the heart of what we do. And giving back locally is part of our mission every single year. Now, folks, because of your incredible support, the Oregon International Air Show has proudly contributed more than $6.99 million back into local charities, organizations. Doesn't look that much when you have a big airplane like that, when you've got a jumper away, folks. And we have a good shoot. Now keep an eye on this skydiver as he makes his way to the ground. Well, folks, if you have sat down, please still rise again. Take off those hats. And here we go. Sing loud, sing proud. The Star-Spangled Banner.
Jumpers have exited the aircraft and accelerating towards the ground at speeds of excess of 120 miles per hour. The jumpers are maneuvering their bodies to maintain visual contact with the lowest jumper, who will signal when it is time to deploy. Jumpers have successfully deployed their main parachutes. They can hear you. Put your hands together. Coming in first, we have our jump master for today's demonstration, Master Sergeant Rob Barrow-Tolley. Coming in hot from Naples, Florida, we have with 698 jumps, carrying in the Marines flag. We have Cadet First Class Colin Lowry. Now entering all the way from Singapore with 711 jumps, bringing in the Navy flag. Put your hands together. Cadet First Class Avery and coming in next, we have hometown hero from your right, Hillsboro, Oregon. Dedicating his jump to his family here today. 732 jumps, jumping the Air Force flag for that second class, Josh Barber. Let's make some noise. From New Brunswick, Texas, with 696 jumps, flying the Space Force flag for that first class, Sage Burger. Up next, from Avondale, Pennsylvania, displaying 713 jumps, we have Cadet First Class, Max Hahn. Ladies and gentlemen, an aerial salute to our nation heroes that are gone but not forgotten. Our final jumper, Heath Masingale, will be landing the Prisoner of War Missing Action flag. Coming in local, Portland, Oregon, with 727 jumps. Put your hands together for Heath Masingale.
Listen to this. Every airplane had a very distinct sound. Listen as the the right. He's pouring the the coal to the fire on that Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, Dave Reed at the Erickson Collections P51G Mustang. Listen to this. There's a good look at the remarkable P51D Mustang. That's the D. The trick flying a P51 Mustang correctly is to never ever fly slow. Accelerate the aircraft to do a near vertical climb. Inverted tags. Has a load of experience, upwards of 28,000 hours of flight time just flying commercial aircraft. Rolling the airplane as he keeps the airplane on the vertical line. He's going to shift it in reverse as he slips back down through his own smoke trail. This is a maneuver we call the torque roll. The torque of the engine is what's spinning that airplane around. Price attempts to fly right through the ring, and he did it on the very first pass.
And the minivan's back. Oh yeah!
Give him a round of applause, folks. Rennie Price flying through that smoke ring. performance aerobatic aircraft known as the Edge 540. And it looks like she's got some extra lights on the aircraft as she launches off the runway and then enters into a partial knife edge down the runway. Look at that. Melissa Burns in the Edge 540, now rolling upside down almost and turning away from us.
Yeah, buddy, we're going to do a spiraling tower with some spin.
All right, looking forward to the spiraling tower. Look at this, folks. As she outside snap rolls, the airplane continues up through the sky, and right about here, she dishes over the top and heads back down towards the ground. Now you're flat spinning, I see there. How do you reference the ground there?
Right now I'm looking out at the horizon. Now I look straight ahead, looking down at these beautiful hangars, looking at the audience, and I'm coming back towards Show Center.
See what Melissa does here, setting up nice and low above the ground. Side slipping into the wind, showing us the top side. Here's one of your photo opportunities of Melissa in the Edge 540. Allowing the aircraft to actually move backwards. Folks, if you haven't put in your hearing protection yet, I highly recommend you do it now because it's going to get extra loud as our B model F-35 goes into hover. Lift fan doors, which are the exhaust for the lift fan. You also see the doors at the rear of the aircraft, which open to allow the main engine exhaust nozzle to rotate down. About this weekend's Airshow, about flying a drone, and you need to put that drone back into the car. We're off to the West Coast and see the world on a Western airline. Up here, keeping things right down to the second, pretty much. So that gives you just a few minutes to go and grab a refreshment, grab some food, and get back to your seats. Student watching the SU-26 show up at an air show here in North America, and it was keep it all straight, the sky, keeping it upright, and the ground on the ground, and all that stuff.
A whole lot of practice, that's how you do it. A lot of practice, a lot of visualization. Like any sport, you start with your basics and you build your way up.
She loved performing for you. We hope that you loved her performance here this evening. Airshow.